I don't think I'd be doing my job as your city attorney to advise you to go forward in this uncertain aspect of the law. Let's wait and see what happens. Let's let the dust settle. We are not the only ones who would be doing that. City of Portage has done this. Most of the surrounding townships have opted out of both. And I see Township Manager Dexter Mitchell is here this evening. I don't know what he's going to advise his board, but they're in the same boat. And I'd like to think that the City of Kalamazoo shouldn't be the hole in the donut. I think there's a lot of concern as to how this statute is going to be interpreted and how it's going to be applied. And so what I'm suggesting is not that we opt out entirely, but we adopt an ordinance that says we're not going to do anything for a year. We give it a sunset, and then we revisit the issue in a year from now. See what has happened in terms of what are the rules say that the state's going to issue. Now the state, if they do issue those emergency rules in by June 1st, it takes roughly 6 months before those, or longer, before those rules become final. And there may be a lot of changes between those temporary emergency rules and the final rules. So let's wait and see what those rules actually look like, for one thing. Let's see what some of the language in the statute that I said doesn't seem to really mesh well. What's that mean, exclusively residential zone? I don't know. But so that's my suggestion, is that for now, the city stand pat and opt out. Because if we don't, we're in it. And between now and when the state begins to accept licenses, we need to have ordinances in place. Probably police-powered ordinances and zoning ordinances. And that's not something that's going to be turned over in just a couple of weeks.